Whoa, can you feel me now? I had to find a broken set. Speaker yo.
Yeah, see why too lit.
We got it. We got it. Make it sound right. Make it filled up. Make it paid up. Make it sphere up. Make it sound good.
Sips to the plate to get your ass ruined.
Why?
Niggas going ham on what we doing.
Get it up.
I am so vicious when I be attacking. Killing these niggas, I'm deadly assassin. Killing this shit cause I'm a mobster. Draco bars, I'm busting like a chopper. Nigga, I'm a monster. If you run up, we gon' send you to the doctor. Niggas be focused on hating, they can never prosper. Okay, I'm checking in, I'm right past sorry, I be lit up off that medicine.
Good.
Medicinal thinking so critical, give
right.
Typical niggas is never on my level. I ain't way past that, different pedestal. I do it so impeccable, lyrically I'm incredible. I'm smoking on that broccoli, that ganja, call it the vegetable.
Right.
Shit, I be whacking these beats, I'm professional. I'ma tell them what they better do, they know we make it better. Now it's time to bring the pressure up, I'm really about to lecture you. Welcome to my premises, they screaming out fatality cause I'm known for the finishes. Flawless victory, relentlessness. You gon' get your ass knocked down if you win this list. This is pure dominance. They scared shaking in they boots. No, I got it out the mud, so I was grinding for my roots. They really confused, they gonna dispute. I'm gonna just mute. Leave their ass quiet, give them a moment of silence. You don't really want the violence, cause my niggas really wildin'. We steady silent through the adversity, nigga wildin'. You look out the window when them niggas got you surrounded. You was saying wolf tickets, my nigga said he was counting. Now you gotta pay all your debts for the disrespect. I can't murder the competition just off intellect. Wait, I ain't finished yet. You writing checks that you really can't cash, you straight grass. Put these niggas straight underground just like indie artists. I'm a genius, I'm so witty, I am one of the smartest. That's why I'm going the farthest. See why too lit.
Now we do it. And we love you now. Yeah. Shay. Time. Can you hear me now? Oh, don't start now.